Mason Greenwood's career at Manchester United is over. Listen, as you guys know and are well aware, I've been a staunch supporter of Mason Greenwood's support of revival back into Manchester United squad ever since the news came out that the charges were dropped. I thought there's always been something in this hemisphere when it comes to Mason Greenwood, his girl, his potential wife, and the situation surrounding him and what's going on with Mason Greenwood. And I've said, listen, if they're not going to charge him for anything, if the girl is still with him, we know how much domestic violence survivors go back to female to male counterparts. There's a lot of things happening in domestic violence. I am not a supporter of any sort of domestic violence, one way or another. However, I do believe in making amends for all the faults and all the evils that you've done in your life, regardless of what you've done. That's why we have prisons for criminals. We do know that Mason Greenwood was not convicted of a crime. What we do know is all those charges were dropped. We do know that he has gotten engaged to said female. He's gotten pregnant with said female. He's built his life around said female. Did he make mistakes? Yes. Should he be punished? Many would argue that he already has, hasn't played for 18 months. But what Manchester United did today was to tell the world that Mason Greenwood no longer plays for Manchester United. They've made a mutual agreement with Mason Greenwood to say, listen, we're going to cut your contract altogether. You can go your separate ways and we'll support you in whatever way, shape, or form we can do that. I don't know what Eric Ten Hag thinks about the situation. I don't care. I don't care what the female team thinks. I don't care what the male team thinks. I know from a fan point of view, in America, grew up in Jamaica, what Mason Greenwood did was wrong. What happened to him afterwards was equally wrong as well. That's coming towards Mason Greenwood, also wrong. No one decided to help. The vitriol that came from the fan group, from the fan base, both rivals and MUFC fans, wrong. The little man was 18 years old. We don't know what happened in his lifetime to steer him in that direction, but he's 18 years old. The human brain doesn't develop until you're 27. He was 18 years old. And that's not an excuse for what he did, but it sure doesn't help the fact that fans across England, specifically in England, the media, when it comes to Manchester United, everything is blown up tenfold. And that's what John Murtaugh said in the statement. Basically what he said in the statement. Now, he said that they made a decision to part with Mason Greenwood, and Mason Greenwood agreed. Mason Greenwood said, not say went to Sun Sport, whatever that is, the fake newspaper over here. He said that he takes responsibility for his actions and for what happens in his actions moving forward. He'll change things and he'll do all that stuff, whatever. My point is, Manchester United is not playing well. Manchester United could use a striker. Mason Greenwood is the greenest striker we have developed in our team since forever. So if you set aside what the media is saying, what the pundits are saying, what the fans in England are saying, Mason Greenwood is the deadliest striker we have produced ever. He's no longer at the club. Some will argue that he will never play in England again for now. He can go play in Italy, France, Spain, but not in England. Because the media will follow him everywhere they go. And that's okay. Wherever he goes, I will follow. No, I'm not going to not support Manchester United. Manchester United is my club. Manchester United is my blood. I will support Manchester United. But I will support Mason Greenwood wherever he goes. Because that man is a talent. And that man could potentially play for Jamaica one day. And I will be here cheering left, right, and center. What he did was wrong. What happened to him, he deserved it. But he does deserve to play football again. Now, we know now that he won't ever play for Manchester United again. But I hope the next club he plays for, I'll be there supporting 110%. All you fans, Manchester United fans in England, going on Twitter spaces every day, saying all sorts of virtual things about Mason Greenwood. Try remember you were once 18. Try remember you made stupid decisions. Just remember that. Just remember that. If you big up yourself, bless up others, Manaz.